not sure what clinics you are familiar with, but ours have infusion chairs as well as recliner chairs to help make your stay here comfortable. We have over 40 clinics here in the province of Ontario, so the likelihood is it will be fairly close to your home. And if you're a pediatric patient, you have access to the same number of clinics as anyone else. For our pediatric patients as well as our adult patients, we do have private rooms available in most all of our clinics. So if they are available, patients are welcome to choose that room for their procedure that they're coming for that day, usually the infusion.
The clinic we are showing you today is an example of one of our Bayshore clinics here in Oakville. The clinics are all set up in the same fashion, and you will notice that if you are a patient who is transferring to a biosimilar medication and potentially transferring clinics, you're going to notice that a lot of the clinics are the same as what you have experienced before. All of the clinics that we have the same offerings and amenities, such as the quality of the infusion chairs that we use, Wi-Fi, television, and snacks in the clinic.
During these unprecedented times of COVID, we are asking for adult patients that they don't bring any caregivers or partners with them because we're really trying to respect the 6 feet distance and social distancing requirements that the province has put out. But if it's a pediatric patient, we are allowing one caregiver to join the pediatric patient.
We currently have our ISO 9001-2015 certification, which is all about continuous quality improvement. And we really strive to ensure that your experience, whether it's at a downtown clinic or in a rural clinic in Ontario, that the experience is the same. During your stay with us, should something happen while you're having your infusion, we do have highly trained nurses that have their advanced life support as well as the necessary medications to help with an allergic reaction. In some of our locations, we are partnered in a physician's office, so we do have a physician on site at times, but we always, regardless of what clinic you're in, have a physician or a nurse practitioner on call to help us should you have allergic reaction to the medication which you are receiving today.